Simple repair of a late 1800s upright Steinway piano. After removing the cover, begin removing the nuts that is holding the mechanism in. Once you have removed the nuts, use gloves if the piano is in really nice condition. This one is not, but it is good condition considering. Find it two good places you can grab the mechanism well and safely, then lift it out. I tripled up a blanket on the keyboard cover to sit the mechanism on. I begin to remove the dampener rods with broken springs by loosening the screw a few turns, then slide them out. Then I use a longer screwdriver to remove the screws holding the hammer mechanism in place. Broken springs, remove the pin with needle nose pliers. You do not have to totally remove it, just slide it out of way to remove broken one and install new one. Just removing the parts, then installing the new springs. Just use some patience. The short tang needs to go in the tiny hole. Once you get put the stang into the hole, you can use your needle nose pliers to slide the pin in. I found that taking the back clip off, then sliding it into where the spring is, then lining up the dampeners and screw to the threads work best, then slowly tie in things down to make sure nothing is binding and that the spring coil is tucked into the slot of the dampener so you do not break it like I did one. I had to glue it back together with the glue. Reinstall the part, then test to make sure it springs back. After replacing all the springs, I tested to make sure they all worked. I now prepare and install the unit. Before installing the nuts, I make sure all the keys and hammers are working. They are working, so I finish installing. Sounds great for a 127-year-old piano.